ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಹಾಲ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Hey guys, what's up? Can you guys hear me? Sorry guys. Varun took me out to shoot one video for him. A reels video. It's hilarious. I don't know why I keep doing this also. But it's fun. Audio low. Can you guys hear me properly now? Can you guys hear me? What happened today, dude? It went up again. The market went up again today, right? It went up by around 500 points. Nifty 50 also went up. So it actually went against Wi-Fi on once. Yeah. It went against our trend that we thought it might correct, but it did not correct. So it actually went up even more. Yeah, mid cap got trashed. I don't know what is going up from the last 2 days. Sensex going up, but what is going up? It's only the top 50 that's going up, I feel. It's weird, right? Yeah, Aarti Surfactant's little saving grace went up by 10%. So that was okayish. But it still wasn't great, I feel, to be honest. No, I think all the mid cap stocks are going down. All the mid cap stocks are going down. We have exited granules, Abhinav. I don't know why you're. Yeah, everything's red. All the mid cap stocks are in red, but it's okay. Leave that. You want to know what is even more red? Uh, so the ATH2 that I bought, ATH2 went down by 2.5% today. कितना दर्द हुआ तेरे को पता है? 2.5% down today. ATH2. Right? I just put in. If I'd waited 2 more days, I could have bought the dip, but I just invested. Not too heavy amount I invested. I'm down so hard. What's the point of telling you ATH2 stocks? It went down. Um, but it's okay. I mean, I have trust that he'll eventually make it go out. 1 second. Yeah. Yeah, Alok Jain will take care, so it's okay. Dude, and another big problem that happened to my day is going really bad today. Another big problem is my Instagram account got banned, shadow banned, not banned, but shadow banned. I can't put any links, I can't put any comment, I can't do anything, um, because I think I was online, and then my team also went online from the web browser to post that giveaway thing where I was sitting and checking my own Instagram. So basically, my Instagram was logged in from two different IPs, and my IP and that IP both got banned. Now I have to apparently try using a VPN and then doing it, but I'm just gonna wait for a day. Usually after a day they remove it. I even pinged Instagram and said, dude, it's horrible. It's not working. So it's weird. I don't know. It's something weird. It's called. There's one error that is coming called uh, challenge underscore required on an Instagram. It's called challenge underscore required. That's the error that is coming. So weird. So I can't. So basically, I was supposed to put a link tree on my profile because you have to follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube, and download the Ticker Tape app from one link, and then put your email ID and give me the email ID. Right. So it's not coming up on my profile. I can't put that link tree, and because of that, everyone is DMing me their email ID, and I'm like, shit. What a chaotic thing. Yeah, but approximately what around 350 different comments have come, but I can't touch my account sadly, and it's constantly coming. I'll come to know if it worked after 2 3 days. Let's see, 343. Dude, it was so weird because I spoke to Ticker Tape. No, remember I spoke to you guys, and they said they want to do two accounts. They said let's do 10 accounts. I said more the merrier. मेरे को क्या है? So people are gonna get 10 Ticker Tape accounts. So it's crazy. It's okay if you have not sent the email ID. Let me update that link tree. Then I'll properly put a story. I'm just waiting for my account to remove the shadow ban. So let's see. after that. Yeah, it's quite disappointing, I must say. Like everything was fine, everything was working perfectly. I posted everything and then it just blocked me completely. So I don't know what to do. Can you give ETFs? I don't know what, if CDSL allows ETFs, why not? Right? I'm not sure about whether it allows or not. If it allows, man, okay, I have no problem in giving anything, right? If it's allowed, I can give whatever you want. No issues with that. What happened today with our? There was an IPO that came out, right? IPO that got listed. Devyani International IPO. I mean, not listed. Did it go out today? Was it? It started, right? I think today was day one, right? I mean, it had to get oversubscribed. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it didn't. The grey market premium is 65 rupees, almost 100% of the listing things, right? MD Hamad is Rolex IPO goodbye. Do you know what Rolex IPO does? Do you know what the company does, Hamad? Yeah. So Devyani is basically food QSR, operates most of it. Yeah, someone commented his favorite stock is Tesla, and I'm like, nice. Poor guy, nice big reply he gave on Tesla, but poor guy, I can't give him Tesla stocks. But I like the effort. A marks for effort. Cool, right? Explore results August, nice. Aarti's result also is coming up soon, so that's also good. By the way, have you guys heard of this pharma company called Solara? Let me just check if it's the same Solara. Something crazy has happened. I'm just checking if it's the same Solara. So do you know HDFC's main guy, right? Aditya Puri? Aditya Puri is HDFC's main guy. Aditya Puri joined pharma company's board as a chairperson. He joined Solara's board as a chairperson, and him being there as a chairperson is a wealth of information and connections. Just imagine the connections that he'll bring to the table, right? Um, on top of that, Aditya Puri is also investing in PNB Housing Finance, Punjab National Bank Housing Finance. Also, he's investing alongside Carlyle Group. And at the same time, there's another thing saying Solara Active Pharma's Q4 result was robust. Stock amplifies factors in near term positive. Interesting. Then another company is coming out with their, what do you call that, IPO. Windlass Biotech. Have you heard of that? Windlass Biotech. Now, Windlass Biotech IPO apparently they have a CDMO business, which is good. Again, it's very similar to most of the pharma stocks only. Only problem is everyone's saying that the IPO is I mean, it's overvalued like crazy. It is priced already. It is priced at 64 times the earnings. P ratios at 64 times, right? Which is insane. 64 times ka PE पे trade कर रहा है. The IPO is coming out. Imagine if it comes at 64 times and then there's a listing gain of another 50%. What do you think will happen to that stock, right? I don't think it's a very good long term. Yeah, it either be discounted listing, but knowing our current thing, we'll never know. By the way, Bharat Pay co-founder, Bharat Pay company raised another 370 million of Series E funding by Tiger Global, and it entered the unicorn status where the valuation triples to 2.85 billion dollars. It was a mix of primary and secondary that happened with them, right? Crazy. Crazy, crazy. madness, guys. क्या क्या हो रहा है? When will Avalon become unicorn? I should put a poll up on that. Yes, sir, 3 rounds should happen back to back, 3 rounds in the span of 3 months. 100 million, 500 million, and $1 billion. Kudi. 3 rounds, unicorn in 3 months. It can only happen right now. It can only happen. And then yeah, fourth month पे DRHP file to IPO. Fifth month पे listing हो जाएगा. Sixth month पे first quarter result will come, and obviously I'll make it look very good. Seventh quarter पे EPS will be amazing. I will issue bonus and dividend. And within 1 year we will all everyone will have fun and enjoy. That's it. 1 year के बाद split और उसके बाद relax. And then a bear market will start, and then bear market will start. We will all take a peaceful break. And again, no, I promoters, I don't think promoters can exit for what, 3 years. I think if a promoter comes out with an IPO, I don't think promoters can exit for 3 years, right? I'm not sure exactly whether it's 3 years or 2 years or 1 year, but I know it's more than 1 year. You can't. There's a lock-in period for promoters to exit, and in fact, promoters cannot exit. If you see promoter selling his stake, everyone will remove their money and run away, right? Because promoter is withdrawing his stake and running away. So this is 21 महीने में पैसा double, not 21 दिन में, right? काश ऐसा सपना सब पूरा हो जाएगा. It will be so nice. 6 months IPO, 1 year done. Crazy, right? Huh. What else? What else? What else? So many IPOs, guys. Krishna Diagnostics IPO, XRO Tiles IPO, Rolex Rings IPO, Devyani International IPO. I've literally lost track of the IPOs because every 2 days there's an IPO coming out, right? Yesterday, someone suggested, one of my team members suggested that Shashank, you should do reels for IPO. I'm like, Konsa IPO? By the time we finish one analysis of one IPO, there are five IPOs coming out in the gap. So किस पे बनाए? मतलब what can you do? You can't. It's so difficult to make a reel because एक बनाओ दूसरा आ जाता है, दूसरा बनाओ तीसरा आ जाता है. It's just never ending. See, should we apply to Devyani? I have not had time. Devyani also, we've not got time. Devjani also doesn't have time to read Devyani because so much is pending still. Uh, can you do a 30-second reel on IPO? That's the thing. See, I can do. करने में कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, right? But what will I explain in a 30-second reel of an IPO? The only thing that I can explain is how much are they raising, how much is primary, how much is secondary, and what is the price that it's getting listed at, and that's it. The typical basic and the complete name. 30 seconds में इतना ही होगा. Now that is basically, anyway, 100 people are putting infographic. I rather put infographics than make reels on this, right? A simple infographic of your new IPOs coming out. These are the information. Research, you can't. No, I can't say Devyani may invest karo na, because you need 30 slides to explain the basics of a company. I know. I know. Half the read will be disclaimer also. Yes. So it's very difficult, guys. Or I have to dance and put my fingers up, down, left, right, and then show four different things about the IPO. वो भी कर सकता हूँ मैं, like four different things with whatever is trending in the real market right now. If you look at the real market, there are a lot of these songs trending now. Recently, वो glitch भी हुआ था. Oh shit! I should have done a glitch video. कि I'm trying to invest in Devyani, but then suddenly XRO tiles ये भी आ गया, वो भी आ गया. I'm glitching because there are so many bloody IPOs coming out. Shit, that's such a nice idea. I should have done that. I feel old when I see things like that. I'm like, ये क्या चल रहा है? मतलब अभी तो एक ट्रेंड चल रहा था, वो ट्रेंड खत्म होने के पहले ही इट इज गॉन टू, या जलेबी जलेबी सॉन्ग का भी ट्रेंड था. God knows, man. Yeah, see, 1 year lock in is there. And then after 30 seconds, the next, after 30 seconds का रील होने के बाद नेक्स्ट 10 seconds में मेरे को सेबी आएगा डांस करते करते. शशांक, कम हियर, यू डिडंट पुट डिस्क्लेमर, कम हियर माय बॉय. बोल के सेबी विल कम डांसिंग टू मी, राइट? वो सब चाहिए नहीं मेरे को. It's not required. Only from behind they'll come dancing. What's up? Yeah, no need, bro. I will stay away from this. I am very happy with what I am doing. No rush. आराम से audience बढ़ाएंगे. आराम से. No need to do dancing wancing. Only good informative reels I will put as much as possible. Hmm. Okay, so do you know guys know who Karan Bajaj is? Do you guys know who Karan Bajaj is? Do you guys know who White Hat Junior is? Poor guy, White Hat Junior. White Hat Junior का CEO था Karan Bajaj, and now he put down his papers and he's leaving. Yes, Chintu का creator. Now he's leaving White Hat Junior. After 1 year, he's put down his papers and he's like, I'm done. I can't do this anymore. Why? पता नहीं. I'll call him tomorrow and ask him कि क्यों छोड़ के गया तू. I don't know. He's just put his papers down and he said he's leaving. So we have no idea why he's leaving. और उसका पर्सनल लाइफ है. I don't want to know why he's leaving and all that. उसकी मर्जी, उसको बोर हुआ रहेगा. His life, his rules. Byju's acquired Whitehat. They're also putting another 350 million into. They're infusing another 350 million into Whitehat Junior. Man, they're actually doing a lot of investment into Whitehat Junior. They're going double down on Whitehat Junior, and in fact, not only doubling down on Whitehat Junior, Whitehat जूनियर एंड बायजूस आर प्लानिंग टू गो अब्रॉड ऑल्सो. देर लाइक इंडिया में तो कर दिया हम लोग ने सबको अपना लूप पे. नाउ लेट्स गो अब्रॉड एंड मेक एवरी पेरेंट गेट स्कैर्ड दैट विदाउट बायजूस यू आर स्क्रूड माय बॉय. इंडिया में तो वही हो गया. पीपल आर सो स्कैर्ड नाउ. इफ माय किड डजंट हैव बायजूस टू लर्न, मतलब स्कूल ही नहीं जा पाएगा आदमी. राइट, ही विल नॉट सक्सीड. Why? Because Sharma ji ka beta is using Byju's. He got 94% and my son without Byju's got 93. His life is over. It's finished. What to do? Education is not a scam, right? Education is always good because see, you're getting educated on YouTube also. So education is not bad. But people who are doing it for the degree and when they put the degree like a carrot in front of you, that is bad, right? Education is not a scam. Education, in fact, is important. Yeah, these sessions are also education, right? Education is okay, but education at the cost of a degree is not good. Wow, what is this, dude? I recently saw this store called the Sold Store. SOULED. किधर देखा था ये ad देखा था क्या? Sold Store. They were selling some hoodies and all, no? Yeah, dude. Superman t-shirts. Yeah. Punisher. They just raised 75 crores from Elevation Capital. They raised 75 crores from Elevation Capital. Friends, DC, Marvel, official merchandise, WWE. They raised 75 crores from them. Crazy, man. Not bad at all. Raising 75 crores. Then what else? Just see this news that comes on livement. See, sometimes I read livement. Why? Because it gives me a lot of financial information and financial knowledge. But beach mein now they put some news in the gaps which I have no idea why. Look at this news that came out. Ekta Kapoor signs Kartik Aryan for her new film. उसके ऊपर है डाबर इंडिया Q1 रिजल्ट बीट्स एस्टिमेट्स. राइट, दैट इज द न्यूज अबाउट इट. एंड राइट बिलो इट फुल फ्लो बिगाड़ देता है. एकता कपूर साइंस कार्तिक आर्यन फॉर न्यू फिल्म. वाई? वाई? एंड उसके नीचे इंसॉल्वेंसी एंड बैंकरप्सी बिल एनेबल्स एफिशिएंट रेजोल्यूशन फ्रेमवर्क बाय फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर. मतलब इतना सब कुछ के बीच में व्हाई वुड यू पुट एकता कपूर साइनिंग कार्तिक? हाउ डू आई केयर? ओके, अब जब मूवी आएगा, ट्रेलर आएगा तो हम लोग लिटिल चटपटा न्यूज. बट इट्स लाइव मिंट मनी. Unless it says Ekta Kapoor got Kartik Aryan for 300 crores or 30 crores or 3 crores by that payment of 30% upfront and 70% later, फिर मेरे को समझ में आता. Financial news, very interesting. Or if it's a stock market based movie, another scam 1995 आ रहा है, 1996 आ रहा है, तो फिर ठीक है, right? But this, I don't know, बीच बीच में they put such masala, even I get confused कि मैं पढ़ रहा क्या हूँ. Like, is it something very interesting or not? Like, I get news. I don't get chatpata news because we have enough websites for masala, right? Entertainment, and entertainment. Look at this. Adani Green net profit zooms tenfold to 219 crores in the June quarter. My God, what happened to Adani Green, guys? रैली खत्म नहीं हुआ क्या? इतना रैली करने के बाद Adani Green's rally, I think, was the best, right? The best rally, I think. Literally went up 10 times in a year. 10 times. Aditya Vision, I don't know what is Aditya Vision. It just goes up every day by 5%. But I don't know what it is, right? I mean, I know it's in the consumer space, but oh, now it's in lower circuit. Okay, good. But also the market cap is 1000 crores. They've the need. So I don't know. I usually stay away from things like this. Yeah, but it went up from 28. Oh my God! It went up from 28 rupees to 1200 rupees. 28 rupees to 1200 rupees. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Yeah, fuck is the right word, whoever said that. And the fundamentals are also going up. Net profits also going up. Damn, what is this, dude? But if it was not UC, EPS also has gone up. If it deals in consumer electronics, it's like those, you have those stores where they sell TV and all that. It's like that. But why did it go up? I mean, why did it go up so much in the first case? And if it's upper circuit, lower circuit, तो थोड़ा डर लगता है, no? Damn, what was this rally, guys? Look at this exactly. I'll tell you when it started. When it was September 18, 2020, not even 1 year, huh? September 18, 2020, it was at 10 rupees. Right now, August 2021, it is at 1200 rupees. Fish. Even if you had put 10 grand in this, you would have made some mental amount of money. Yeah, Gada Electronics next entry ho jayega. It's called Aditya Vision, but I don't know much about this, man. I mean, I don't know what it is. And now until it corrects, you can't say anything again. Is it gonna correct? Is it not gonna correct? Why do I feel there's some scam happening inside? I don't know. It's very weird, right? It's not a large cap. Aditya Vision is 1000 crore market cap company, 1400. It was literally at 100 crores when it went up by 10%, became 1000 crores. So no, I'm not telling you the stock. Sub log wo idhar. Adani Green stock we are talking about is Adani Green. फिर सब जाएंगे डालेंगे लोअर सर्किट में जाएगा then next 5 days people will ask sir why is Aditya Vision 5% down like as if I have the answers to everything. नहीं मेरे को गीता को भी नहीं देखना है मेरे को किसी को नहीं देखना upper circuit lower circuit I have put my hand and I have burnt it very well. It's okay. DHFL mein I put my hands and I have burnt it very well. The only time I was successful in upper circuit lower circuit stocks was Alok Industries. That's it. That also I couldn't exit when it started lower circuit. I couldn't exit. 58 rupees it started lower circuit, went down to 35 rupees before I could exit. What is PO acquisition? What is post office acquisition? It acquired post office. What? I didn't understand. Did it acquire some post office? No, I don't have any idea what that is. God knows. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna stay away from it either which way. Either way, I think that's. Let me check if there's anything else that we have missed out. I just realized I have to restart my crypto series on YouTube. I stopped doing it only when we shifted from Avalon Meta to my channel. I have to restart the crypto videos also. Mm, any analysis? I think Davneet, you should do an analysis of for Friday instead of Devjani. We should take a Devjani should take a break. I think Davneet should do one research on Anthony Waste. So you want to do Anthony Waste on Friday? Friday Anthony Waste research day. Cool by Davneet. Awesome. चलो we'll do that then. Friday आज क्या है Wednesday right? Day after tomorrow Davneet का session होगा about Anthony Waste featuring Davneet. Gulshan, you do next time. But only people who put DP, usually I let them do, right? If you don't have display picture, I don't know whom to trust behind the face. See, Pranay has such a nice background, such a good display picture. So all these are important. Awesome, awesome. In fact, you guys should just come and do it by yourself. You should set up an event and do it by yourself. Right? No, I'm not expecting Debjani levels research. You do your own. Everyone is their own individual. I don't expect the same. This is not some college. I am not giving marks to people. Uh, as long as you can provide knowledge to the crowd, that's enough. However you do it, even I can't do Debjani level research. Yeah, even I can't do that. That's too tough. So even I can't do that. Don't worry. Right? I can read out and explain what it is, but I can't do the research. It's too difficult to do the research. But she does it very fast because she's done it so many times. So that's crazy. Okay, chalo, awesome. So I'll see you guys tomorrow again. Hopefully our mid cap stocks goes up. It's very sad to see stock market going up 2 days in a row and our stocks going down. So fingers crossed. No, I'm not using Capital Mind right now. I'm all invested in who's that dude? In ATH2. I'm invested in ATH2. Okay, not in Capital Mind. Yeah, how much? Tell it's not north of 6-7 lakhs, dude. That I put in ATH2. That's why it hurt a little bit today when it went down by 2%, and I'm like, oh, dard. So much negativity. Already so much negativity around in life, and then stock market comes and gives you negativity. मतलब और भी दर्द होता है. Okay, awesome, awesome. Chalo, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye. Sorry for the delay today. Bye.